what I use to clear my dark spots, my sunburn, and my hyperpigmentation and blemishes. Everyone keep asking this, what did I use? From my last video that blew up. Okay, I know you guys are actually curious about my skincare routine, and I will answer that question. I will be sharing you guys what I use to clear my dark spots, my sunburn, and my hyperpigmentation and blemishes. So what I use is simple natural ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. It's all what you already have. So all you need is milk, turmeric, honey, lime, and a bit of baking soda. Exclude baking soda if you know that you are irritant, like you have sensitive skin. If baking soda is going to irritate your skin, just exclude it. So I am going to be putting together a 7-day skincare series where I will share with you one natural remedy that helped me to achieve this for each day. For day one, we are starting with my glow mask, what I love using, what I use a lot when I was battling with this, with the condition, with the dark spots, and what I am still using till now. You guys can see that my skin is still healing. It is still not perfect, not exactly like I want it, but at least we are still getting there. So what I use is turmeric. I have my turmeric here, my turmeric. I use my honey too. This is it, honey and milk. So it is what you already have in your kitchen. It's not something that is perfect. All you need is patience and consistency, and I will advise you, if you are going to be using this natural remedy, use it in the evening, because you know there is less sun and the skin is less stressed. You understand? All the stress that it has gone through during the day, you can fix that in the evening, and skincare routine works perfectly in the evening. Just going to be so I'm done with the application. I'll leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then I'll wash it off. Then I'll apply my milk mask. So I've rinsed off the turmeric. Allow it to absorb to your skin for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse skin after rinsing off. You can see the glow, right? So after rinsing, you can go with your moisturizer. If you have any moisturizer that you use that is perfect for your skin, you can go with it. But since I don't have a moisturizer, this is my coconut oil. I made it myself, but you can see that the bottle is almost finished. So I use my coconut oil and lock it in on my skin so that it can retain moisture, dry skin, and it also helps to repair the skin barrier. So you can go with any oil that works best for your skin, or you can go with any moisturizer that works best twice in a week. And don't forget to go in with your exfoliation to remove the dead skin and keep the natural ingredients to absorb well on your skin. So let me know if you guys are going to try this recipe in the comment section, and let me know if you are going to love more of this series in the comment section. Then I'll follow up with a video. See ya.